So this is what they look like after they've been chamfered. Obviously we got a little recess in here, look, that we've created with the router, and then these panels drop in, and then I'd mark of a square in the center of this line, and then attack it with a nail gun. Now these become absolutely solid when doing this. Never had an issue with them. Customers never complained about them. What I've done is I've just cut these little recesses in the back of the oak block so I can slot over the ash when we make this paneling. So these have all been planed. I've planed the face, I've planed the back, so they're all the same thickness, and I've also planed these sides. So this is how it's going to be put together. You have a piece of oak there on the panel, then we've got a piece of ash that's going to slide in behind there. Oak, another piece of ash, and so on, and that's the panel. Here we have the slide.